The foreign exchange, sorry, I have to record the call. Forgot to do that at the start. So the foreign exchange market can give you that. All right. And Skillznet is telling you that you could actually learn these skill sets on this same platform. All right. So we have the Forex trading, we have digital currency trading, guys. This is a market that people are going crazy about today. You know, my first exposure in digital currency also was in 2017. And the digital currency market is so big that you could do a lot of things. You can invest in cryptocurrency, you can trade cryptocurrency on the foreign exchange market. Yeah, because the foreign exchange market is big, you could also trade cryptocurrencies on it. All right. You can be a developer in digital currencies. You could learn the blockchain technology, and you could be a problem solver, create solutions to different problems all around the world using digital currency. All right. Facebook recently changed their name to Meta. All right. Why? Because they are going big on digital currencies. Guys, this is the future of currency. This is the future of how we're going to be spending money. Now, payments as digital, like a lot of right now is a contactless payment. You don't even need to put your card anywhere before you make payments. All right. So digital currency is the future, is the way people are going to be spending money in the future. And you have to position yourself. You have to imagine if you had invested in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was, as of 2009, 2010, when I wanted to get into the university, that was when cryptocurrency was starting, guys. And one Bitcoin was less than $1. Probably with 1,000 naira, I could have gotten maybe, 1,000 units of Bitcoin. Now imagine if I had that, and today, one Bitcoin is about $60,000, guys. So it's all about you seeing the future. It's all about you positioning yourself the right way. All right, don't ignore stuff like this. Don't say, they are fine, there are scams. There are a lot of people that are scamming people in this field, whether Forex or digital currency or whatever. All right, but at the same time, you need to look for people that are knowledgeable in this. You need to look for, where you could get the right education so that you can position yourself. A lot of coins you could have bought early this year, and you could have made some money off it right about now. A lot of coins you could have bought at the start of November, and you could have made money on it, by the end of this November. So it's all about information. Life is all about information. All right. Life is all about information. And digital currency is one of these places where you could, you could put it $100, and in the next 2-3 years, the $100 can turn to $100,000. Information, guys. All right. So don't say it's just one of those. It's not one of those things. It is the real deal. All right. And we are looking at, in the nearest future, money becoming digital currency, affecting a lot of of our lives, because life keep evolving. Look at what COVID-19 has done. A lot of things have evolved over just in this last 2 years. All right. And digital currency is one of a lot of people are moving money from gold, moving into the Bitcoin, because why? The profit, the solution, the technology itself is the solution to a lot of problems we have all around the world today. All right. So you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency. You want to understand how this stuff works so that you can participate, so that you can be involved, so that you can make money off it, so that you can help other people to also make money off it. Okay. So we have Forex, we have digital currency. All right. We have drop shipping. Okay. Now, drop shipping is one part of e-commerce, right? E-commerce at large. But drop shipping is one of the biggest markets in the world today. I don't really have knowledge in it, but I've done research in it. It's a market that is worth over $100 billion. Right? So it's one of the biggest market, and basically, dropshipping is all about you, being able to connect, buyers and sellers. Right? So you have an online store, you don't have an inventory, but you're able to connect a buyer. All right. Okay, I want to buy this particular phone. Then you're able to get it from a store and deliver it straight to the buyer. So you're just like a middleman. And people are making crazy money out of it. It's all about knowledge. This you don't need capital. You don't need capital to go and buy a laptop of $100 and go and resell it for $150. No. All you need is have a store where you can actually connect, these buyers and sellers together. All right, we also have blogging. Now, this is another skill set you can learn. Okay, you say, okay, Forex is not for me. I don't want to buy and sell currencies. Okay, how about you learn how to do blogging? And basically, you have blogs where you write stuff about, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's a website, whether it's on Facebook, whatever. The good thing is if you have blog and you can attract readers, you can attract visitors to your blog, then you have positioned yourself in a very good place, because then people will start coming to advertise on your blog, and that is where money is. Let's say you have a website blog, for instance, you put Google AdSense on it, you are in money. You're able to attract people to your blog. You're able to learn how to how to blog the right way, how to attract people all over to your blog, and you could make hell of money from it. Why? Because advertisers are going to come to your blog to advertise. All right. So that is blogging. E-commerce, like I said, e-commerce is one of the biggest markets in the world, with over $9 trillion. Is a market worth over $9 trillion. So this market is no joke at all. All right. So you could learn how to, get involved in e-commerce, and also we have, you're able to learn it with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that is used on WordPress, and it could easily make you have a website for e-commerce where you sell stuff, where you have your products listed and all those things, and you're able to do this yourself. All right, so this is a skill set that you can learn. We have content marketing, we have affiliate marketing, guys. All right, content marketers are making a lot of money just because you could write content for companies, for businesses, for personal people. Guys, just learn the act of being able to do content. They say content is king, guys. Content is king. So you're able to learn this skill set, you're able to apply it, help people make solutions from it, and you're in money. Social media marketing, guys, one of the biggest markets in the world. Also, small businesses, big businesses, whatever business you are in, you want to have your business on social media. You want to market your business on social media, because everybody is on social media these days. Just look at our parents, whether you're younger, look at everybody is on social media. People are seeing adverts here and there. You want to learn how to place your product. You want to learn how to place your skill. So whatever skill, whether you're a website developer, whether you sell bags online, whether you whatever business you are doing, you want to market it on social media. You want to learn how to place your business properly on Instagram. You want to learn how to place your business properly on Facebook. All right. You want to learn all these skills. Okay. And social media marketing can help you achieve this. Then we have search engine optimization also. Search engine optimization is all about Google Advert. You're able to, optimize your website. When you search for things on Google, you get to see that Google will bring out results for you. Let's say you search for, let's say you want to buy, maybe you are looking for, what example can I give us now? Probably you want to buy a product online, all right, and you key it on Google. For instance, right now you want to learn digital marketing. Let's say you type on Google, how do I learn digital marketing? You see that Google will bring out maybe businesses, online businesses, or physical schools where you can learn this. Now, these schools must have positioned themselves on their website with, keywords on their website, whereby when you search, it's going to be the #1 on Google search and all. That is the work of search engine optimization. Now, companies are looking for people that can help them optimize their websites. Companies, private companies, public companies, everybody, they are looking for, digital marketers that are specialties in search engine optimization, just to help them arrange their keywords on their website, so that when people search for these things on Google, their business is the first to pop up. So you can learn this skill set, and you can easily get, if you, let's say for instance, let's search engine optimization, you could get a company that will pay you 100K as high as 200K monthly, just because you help them to rank their website on Google. All right, same as social media marketing. If let's say you don't have a business, you just want to learn the skill sets, and you're able to learn it, you're able to do it, you won't be complaining of there are no jobs. All right. So we have social media analytics, same Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing. You could also market on YouTube. All these stuff, you could learn how to do it on this platform. All right. We have search engine marketing. We also have email marketing, guys. Email marketing is one of the biggest marketing ways of marketing in the world right now. Can you count the number of emails you receive every day? Probably you've gone to a website, you've subscribed to their email list. They keep sending email. They keep, that's one of the best ways to connect with your customers. A lot of companies are dying to have specialties in people who have specialties in email marketing, guys. All right. So let's say you specialize in learning just email marketing, how to do it, how to write compelling email, how to send it out, how to get people involved. All right. All these things you could actually learn on the Skillznet platform. So there are no excuses for you. You are going into the new year right now. These are skill sets, whether you have a job right now, whether you're a student, whether you are serving right now, whatever you are doing right now, all right, there are a lot of skills you can learn. Right? Forex is number one for me because I can do that, just off my phone, just with my capital anyways, right? And I can use that to make capitals to also do a lot of other stuff. Right? But with this other skill set that we've mentioned also, you can learn it, you can get a job with it, you can use it to promote your business, whether you have your own small business. I see a lot of ladies, they have these businesses, they are into fashion, they are selling stuff like that. If you learn how to do digital marketing, if you learn how to do social media marketing the right way, guys, you could market your products, the proper way, learn how to use Instagram the right way. All these things, it starts from somewhere, it starts from you learning the skill sets. And like I said, Skillznet is here to provide you with these skill sets. All right. So that is some of the courses they have available that you could actually learn on the platform. All right. Many more courses are still loading because Skillznet is still in a pre-launch, phase right now. It's going to launch properly in January, but a lot of these courses are already available for you to learn. A lot of videos are there for you to watch and learn from. All right. So they have the Skillznet e-library also coming up with over 10,000 plus ebooks, at your fingertips. You read, you watch your videos, you learn, you're able to, get these right skill sets. And a lot of people say they are busy. Can you just, dedicate an hour or 2 hours in a day to watch these videos, learn these skills, and you are good to go. Now, a lot of people might be saying, wow, with all these courses that I've listed, to get on this platform is going to cost a lot. No, and that is where Skillznet is trying to solve the problem. All right, everybody deserves to have a skill set, to better themselves. We don't need to have people complaining that they don't have a job, they don't have money to spend, they don't have this, they don't have that. All right. Skillznet is helping to solve this problem so that everybody can have this skill set, so that you can have access to these skill sets. All right. And that is why for you to actually lay your hands on all these courses is just $10. And this is a one-time payment, guys. That is how amazing it is. Like I said, Skillznet is trying to create platforms like the Udemy, like the Coursera. All right. If you want to learn, let's say whatever course you want to learn right now, you could actually easily go on Udemy or these Coursera's, all the likes of them, and you just pay maybe $20, $30, and you're learning it. All right. You are getting the skill set. Now, Skillznet is also trying to do that, trying to help people to actually lay their hands on all these particular skills, all these videos. I've gone through their Forex videos, I've gone through the social media videos, guys. Quality over on top quality, guys. All right, and you're able to lay your hands on this with just $10. You're able to have access to this platform. You're able to, watch the videos. You're able to learn, and the good thing is, you're getting on board on this platform. You're learning for Forex in particular and cryptocurrency in particular, right? I and my team, we are ready to provide mentorship, right? Because basically, I've been into the Forex space, I've been into the crypto space for a while now. Even in the digital marketing space, when it comes to social media marketing, right? And the good thing is, people that are joining us are able to, leverage on our experience, leverage on our mentorship. Whether it's Forex, when we talk about Forex market, we're talking about you getting to watch your videos, learn what the foreign exchange market is about. We're starting up weekly calls, weekly trainings calls, analysis call where you can jump on analysis, look at what pairs, what currencies you are planning on trading this week. Talking about cryptocurrency, letting you guys know coins you're supposed to buy, coins you're supposed to invest in, coins you could actually buy and hold for a period of time. So the kind of mentorship we are providing around this thing is so that everybody can learn, everybody can make money off it, guys. All right. And that is the joy of it. When you see people that have this skill set, you're able to let's say for instance cryptocurrency, you're able to tell people, okay, go and buy this particular coin, and you already know how to buy it, you already know how to fund your account, you already know probably if it's Binance, if it's KuCoin, if it's OKX, whatever exchange you are using, you know how to use it, you know how to acquire these coins. And I tell you, okay, go and buy this, and you're able to buy it, and you keep it for let's say a month to 2 months, and you're making times 2 times 3 of the money that you invested in it, guys. That is the joy in it. All right, that is the joy in it, and you're able to learn getting on this platform with just $10, you're able to enjoy all these benefits that I just listed out, guys. And that is it. Okay. So live sessions, you have access to live trading and training sessions from seasoned educators, guys. All right, and you're learning and earning on the go. All right, whatever you want to learn from here, let's okay, probably you want to learn social media marketing, you have to take time, you have to learn that and probably apply it to your business or get a job with it. But at the same time, you could also learn how to trade in the foreign exchange market, and probably you're making money right off the go. Why? Because we're able to provide you with live trading sessions, we're able to provide you with signals, guys. That alone can, basically help you to start making money off. All you need is maybe some capital, all right, maybe $100 or $200 to fund your account with, and you are good to go. All right. So we are doing this, just to impact. All right. So there are also optional packages that Skillznet have based on Forex alone. Right. So let's say you already understand Forex, you're already into Forex before. All right. You could get some of the packages they have for signals. All right. They have access to you have Swingnet, right? One of the optional packages they have Swingnet, access to high probability swing trades, all right, long-term trades. If you're a forex trader, you probably understand this better, all right. You're able to get signals into this, and it's just $100 for 90 days. Or you probably do $50 for 30 days, all right. This is basically an optional package for those who are involved in the foreign exchange market, all right. And they have the intranet also for live training sessions also, basically trading strategies, alerts, setups, trade setups, and you're able to, use this to also make money for yourself. We call it signals in Forex, right? Same as $100 for 90 days. They also have the DCXnet, all right, where you are able to have access to, digital currency alerts and the likes, all right? Then fundamentals in Forex, you can't take that away. Whether in whatever we are trading currencies, fundamentals are basically one of the key things we look at when it comes to trading currencies. All right. You also have access to that optional packages. Then we have indices. Guys, all these stuff I just listed out are optionals. It is for those that are involved majorly in Forex trading. All right. So if you are not, interested in Forex market, probably your focus is on e-commerce, dropshipping, social media marketing, and the likes, then you could probably not do this, but they are there, right? So you have all this for $10, guys, and that is the first business model I wanted to introduce you guys. Get any of these skill sets, and you're on your way to creating financial freedom for yourself. All right, financial freedom is something that we try to attain by keep working on ourselves, keep getting skill set. Whatever skill set you have before, you want to get more skill set. You want to learn how this online space works, and I'll tell you, there's money in this online space, guys. There's big money in this online space when it comes to Forex, when it comes to digital marketing and the likes. All right. Okay. So, guys, we are done with the courses part. Now, you could also leverage on the second business model I want to introduce you guys to. All right. Becoming a business owner. And that is where I talk about this cash flow quadrant. All right. We have the cash flow quadrant where Robert Kiyosaki, who came about this cash flow, talked about 4 different ways people can make money in the world. 4 different ways people make money in the world. All right. It says 60% of people work for someone. Yeah, we have most people are, we start off by getting a job. That is how most of the world structure is world system is structured. All right, go to school and get a job. All right, so 60% of people are doing this. You have to have a job to make a living, to earn some money for yourself, for your family, to eat, to do this, to do that. Right, 60% of people do that. And we have 35% of people who work for themselves. Probably you have a small business, you have a business you go to, maybe you have a salon, you have a small online store, like I said, or probably you run a small, just working for yourself, making ends meet and the likes. All right. Then we have 4% who are business owners. Now, someone will ask me, what's the difference between people who work for themselves and business owners? A business owner is someone that has created a system for himself. All right, Mark Zuckerberg is a business owner. Why? Because he has a system that generates money for him every day. Dangote is a business owner. Those are the people you call business owners, guys that have been able to create massive, system where where they have people working for them, and they're able to leverage, guys. They're able to leverage on other people's time, other people's money. All right. So if you want to create wealth in this life, you need to learn how you could leverage on other people's, time and money. All right. So if Dangote sells Dangote can decide to sell 10,000 bags of cement for the whole of, the population of just Nigeria alone. Is able to leverage on other people's money because why? He has created a solution. He has created a solution for people. All right, Facebook has created a solution whereby people come, his largest revenue is made through adverts. Do you know how much people put in to run advert on Facebook on a daily basis? That was the goal when he was creating Facebook. But he needed to solve a problem first. He needed to help people to connect with each other. So that was the first goal Facebook, that was the problem Facebook solved. He helped people to solve the problem of, how can they connect to each other? How can they see each other? Then when he was able to attract people to that, then people start running adverts on his platform. Why? Because the eyes are there. That is what I said about you creating a blog for yourself. Solve a problem. Linda AKG is solving a problem. People that love gist, I know I have my gist lover people here. People can run advert on his blog, whatever blog he has, because he has the eyeball. So you have to solve the problem. You have to leverage on other people's time. You have to leverage on other people's money. Business owner. Then we have the 1% who are investors. That is the point where you allow your money work for yourself. You allow your money make more money for you. All right. Forex, you allow your money make money for you. Crypto, you allow your money make money for you. All right. 1% is a mindset. You have to have the investor mindset. Whatever money you're making, you have to find a way to multiply it. That is how to create the real wealth. All right. And if you look at this cash flow, we have the left hand side and the right hand side, where 95% of people are only making 5% of the entire world, money. Whether you work for someone or work for self, which is good. Everybody starts off from there, but you need to look at a way to become a business owner, a 1% investor, right? And that is the opportunity I'm bringing up for you guys. Welcome to a world of endless possibility. You could earn money with Skillznet. Apart from you jumping on this platform and learning all those amazing skill sets I've shared with you guys tonight, all right, you can also make money in 7 different ways. All right, so they have the non-cash incentives, they have the leadership bonus, they have the global pool bonuses, they have the stage completion bonus, they have level bonuses, they have referral bonuses, they have travel incentive. A lot of people out there need this skill. That is why I said this is a project 1000. I'm not going to do it alone. I'm going to do it with people who are ready to learn and also ready to become a business owner, leverage another people's time, leverage another people's money, help people to get a solution to their problem. All right, so I'm not doing this alone. All right, so and we have 7 ways we can make money off this. All right, people learning on this platform, getting people to learn on this platform, getting people to come and learn how to trade Forex, how to trade crypto, how to do blog, how to do marketing and all the likes, guys. All right. So we have different levels. The starter level whereby you get in, you get other people that also want to learn, that are learning, or that also want to build a business like yourself. Not everybody is going to build a business. That is quite fine. Most people just want to come on this platform to learn the skill set. Fine, you can learn the skill set, get a job for yourself, or use it to promote your business. But there's more to it if you decide that I want to get other people on this platform to also learn these skill sets. All right. So you have to figure out one way you could actually, getting people, and at the first stage you're earning $5.6, figure 2 you're earning $8.7, and at the third stage you're earning $25. All right. This is at the stage where people are coming in to learn. Then we have the platinum executive. We have the platinum executive at this stage. People are getting out from the feeder level. They are coming to join you at the platinum executive stage. Now, for everybody that joins you at the platinum executive stage, you are earning $70.5, guys. All right, and total you are going to be earning $210 at that stage. Then, when you complete the stage, a step-out bonus of $40 is paid. So you're earning a total of $250 as a platinum executive, guys. All right. Then it gets to the stage of Emerg Executive, where people are joining you from the platinum stage. And at this stage, for everybody that joins you again, 12 people at this stage also, you're earning $300 for everybody, for all 12 people that joins you. You get a step-out bonus of $75, and you get an incentive of a brand new laptop worth $625. So your total earning here is $1,000. Like I said, what you are basically doing here is you are building a business for yourself. All right. One of the ways I've made money over the years is through residual income. I'm still earning money from some of the works I've done back in 2020, 2019, 2018. Yeah, I'm still making money off that. And that is what we call true residual income. Money dropping even while you're sleeping. And that is one of the advantages of you building business. A lot of people that have built business over the years, whether they go to work, whether they sleep, whether they go on vacation, they are making money. And that is what you can do with this building a business here. All right, remember, well, you need to join this platform with just $10 and you're able to learn, the value is there. All right, you want to look out for value. The value is there. All you need to do is just leverage on it. Then we have the Ruby Executive, all right, where you earn $50 each for everybody that joins you on this level. All right, step up bonus is 1,900, and you have a incentive of a car worth over $8,000, guys. All right, this total stage any year is $11,000. Like I said, Skillznet is in pre-launch stage. By January, they will be launching this company properly, and they are giving out over 100 cars in January. All right, so if you get jobs done, if you get a job done, you build a business for yourself, you get to the Ruby Executive, you could be one of the car earners, guys. I'm gonna be one of the car earners, one way or the other, right? Because I'm building this big and helping a lot of people to learn the skill sets, and we are making money off it. All right, just provide value. Like I meant to say, if you help a lot of people to solve their problem, your own problem also will be solved. It's that simple. That is how the world is created. Whatever skill set you have, if you are not solving problem for people, whether you're a programmer, you're a web developer, you know how to trade Forex, you're an engineer, you're a doctor. If you are not solving problem, you don't make money, right? And what the problem we are solving is helping people to get all those amazing skill sets I listed out earlier. So we have the Blue Diamond Ambassador also. Right, at this stage, you are earning a total of $100,000. And in there, you have your house fund of $50,000. You have car worth over $35,000, guys. All right. So this is a vision. All right. This is a vision. This is what we've seen. This is something that it is achievable. People are doing it. People are hitting those ranks, and we will get it done also. All right. Yeah, we have the Black Diamond Ambassador also. At this stage, remember, you have a house fund of about $50,000 here. At this stage, you have a house fund of $200,000, guys. All right, and you have a total earning of over $300,000, guys. It's all about helping people. It's all about helping people. It's all about helping people get what they want. All right, it's all about helping people get what they want. Then we have the global bonus. The company says, okay, once you get to the Black Diamond stage, you've helped a lot of people to achieve success in this space. All right, you're gonna be sharing part of the company's profit. Then you enter the global pool bonus, where you are sharing every quarterly, the bonus from the company's profit. All right. So we have all that, and there's a disclaimer, right? This is an opportunity. This is an educational platform where you come to learn, you come to make money, you leverage on the business part of things, you make money. This is not an investment scheme. All right. One of the things I've stayed away over the years, and I always stay away with, and is my policy. I don't do investment. I don't take money from people to trade for them. I don't, I won't advise that to people, because you've seen how all those things turns out. But I'm a big preacher on education. Learn the skill set yourself. Put this money in yourself. There's no big deal. A lot of people invested. A lot of Forex young guys that say they are people to invest in Forex, and you can see how much they've taken off people. Just early this year, EFCC got one of these young guys. They made over 900 million in his account. People's money, all right? People putting in millions and millions. Why not just learn these skill sets? Even if you learn how to trade Forex, you have a huge capital. Someone that has 10 million to give someone to trade for him, and you can't put that money in a broker account yourself. And even if it's just 1% of that money you are doing on a daily basis, you are good to go. That is the purpose of learning a skill, right? So Skillznet, this is a disclaimer. It's not we're not telling you bring $10 and you take $20 at the end of the month. Whatever money you make off this platform, whatever money you make off your skill is equal to the time and effort you put in. There is no magic to it. All right, you can't get this platform, you can't subscribe into this platform, then maybe you go ahead and sleep the next day. You don't get to watch your videos, you don't get to practice and do all that. All right, so whatever money you make is based on your own effort. So that is basically the disclaimer. I'm going to stop my screen share here. I want to share with you guys just a brief of the back office, how it looks like. All right, then we'll call it a night, guys. Guys, if you've been gaining value on this call tonight, just give me a 555 in the chat box. If you've been gaining value Oh, I have my boss on the call right now tonight. I'm gonna be bringing up shortly. I'm just gonna bring it up shortly. Like I said, okay, guys. I basically said I had three business models I wanted to show you guys. You know, you have to move with people that knows how to achieve the success you're looking for. You can't be wanting to make $1 million a year and you're moving with someone that is looking at making 100,000 a year, guys. All right. So tonight I have Mr. David on the call. Sorry. Yeah, I'm trying to unmute you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I have
fabulous.
Mr. I have Mr. David on tonight. Let me just do a brief so that people will know who is on, because this man has been able to build bridges of businesses across
Yeah.
Africa, all the way from Europe down to Africa. He's one of the guys I look up to when it comes into the Forex space. And tonight he's going to be sharing with us a Forex model where you guys can also make money. Whatever he says, just listen to it carefully, learn from it. All right. And you could partner with him. He's big on partnership, and he could show you guys how you could change your financial future over the next course of 12 months, 24 months, and we are good to go. Guys, help me welcome Mr. David. Give him a 777 in the chat box, and you have the floor, sir.
Wow. I think what a beautiful presentation. I was right here, I was taking notes right here. This was a fabulous presentation. I honestly hope that everybody felt the same way that I felt when I listened to all of these packages. As I was telling you, I heard a bit about this because clearly being in the industry, in my position within the industry, I get to hear like whatever is new coming out. But I've not heard the presentation to this depth. I think this is fabulous, and I think that just from an impact perspective, I think this is going to be really, really huge for a lot of Africans. And I'm very particular about Africa. I'm very particular about growth in Africa. I've had the opportunity in prior roles and even right now in what I'm doing to do a lot of stuff across Africa. Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, all the way through, like the entire canvas of Africa. And it's amazing because a lot of the challenges that this great platform is going to solve, will be ubiquitous across Africa. Like wherever it is that you go in Africa, you find the complaints. Even in somewhat, quote unquote, maybe better environments like South Africa or whatnot, you still have high levels of unemployment. There's a massive need for us to be awake. And you know what? The internet is a leveler. And I'm sure that I don't want to go into like a long motivational speech. I'm sure that everybody is on this call. I've watched the numbers. People have stayed on this call. I want to super celebrate everybody here. I can see maybe a few names or something that might pop out. It's amazing, that this much thirst exists, and that's why. Let me speak about Nigeria. That's why, Nigeria, for instance, we're leading the pack in a lot of things. I won't be surprised if this organization takes a huge shootout from Nigeria, then begins to pour out in a number of other African countries. I celebrate you all on the call. Awal, thank you so much for the opportunity, and thank you for your kind words as well. Guys, just a little bit of an intro. I've been in the Forex space for over a decade now, and in my role, I've built a lot of bridges, largely for our partners across Africa. So there's always, if you're thirsty about partnerships, if you're thirsty about growth, there's always a window for you to optimize those partnerships. And I've really been able to help a lot of partners across board to be able to achieve that. Some of you might know that I headed partnerships for FXTM in the past across Africa. Some of you might know the brand FXTM. I headed FXTM's partnerships across Africa, and more recently, I've been tasked to sort of head partnerships and business growth, largely in these roles to open up opportunities for partners, value creators within the FX space in Africa. So we're doing a lot. There's a lot that we're doing, and I'm super excited that this opportunity provides us even a bigger opportunity to partner. guys, one thing I see for sure is that a lot of people are going to be excited about this amazing offer. I look at the price point and it's amazing because this kind of a price point is just what Africa needs. It's not prohibitive. I don't think that even as difficult as things are, a lot of us can still squeeze to get on board and get started. So it's not prohibited. This is a perfect, an amazing place for us to get started with. Now, beyond this place, I see the opportunity that we can also extend partnerships and extend the opportunities that come from companies. Now, I mentioned to you that one of the reasons why the brand that I represent, EverestCM, it's coming to Africa as well. Like it's largely like coincidental that both these great opportunities are coming along about the same time. So EverestCM is actually being recognized now as one of the best brokers in the world in terms of pricing, and this is remarkable because here in Africa, with due respect to other companies that have been around, we've not really had the best in terms of pricing. So it begins from there. Africa getting the opportunity to have a great platform now. Some of us might not be traders already, but those of us who are traders, you want to understand the importance of pricing in the place of profitability. Some of us will come on to become traders. It is critical for you to understand the place of pricing, partnering with the right company, partnering with the right broker in the place of profitability. No retail trader, nobody who wants to trade Forex can just go to the Forex market and trade. You're gonna need to go through a broker to do that. So I'm very excited that right now Africa is getting the opportunity to actually get some of the best pricing you're going to be able to find globally. And then beyond that, I can also tell you, because for the first time, the touch is really getting to be on Africa in ways that it's not been before. Some of you were going to partner. I'm saying this a while. I'm committing myself to this. We're going to partner to do amazing stuff across Africa if you so choose, because the company that I represent is very thirsty about Pan-African growth. I was sharing that with a number of our partners. I mean, the next few weeks thereabout, we're doing Lagos, Port Harcourt, then we're going to Accra. From Accra, we'll begin to look at other African countries where we can do things. We are also very big on support, very big on partnerships. So, as we have this thirst, as there's the platform that allows us to be able to go out there and share with the world opportunities that exist in the financial market, opportunities that exist, of course, in a wider array of spaces, all great spaces, by the way. I mean, I look at the range, digital marketing, amazing. These are skills that are critical for the now. The financial market is there. We are I feel like we are at the cups of what the internet was in 1995. In 1995, folks who played in and around that space, could find opportunity and it could significantly transform their wealth. DeFi right now, which is in and around the times that we're in and around the financial market, it's a fabulous time to be, to be alive and to be African, because right now, the bridges are significantly lower. So anyway, just to summarize, whilst we might not be able to share everything here, I want to let you know that there's an amazing opportunity for you to as you take this business, seek to grow it, as you look for opportunities for expansion. I honestly, I'm super excited that such a platform exists, because now we can also merge the vision of my company that's looking to expand and provide a great platform, provide support for persons who are creating value, for persons who are distributing value. I cannot wait, guys. I cannot just wait. I don't even believe that the year is over already. In fact, I feel thirsty that, if we can do this, I'm looking at this meeting right now. If everyone is able to basically understand, because I personally, I probably should let you know, I'm so excited that I'm excited about the Skillznet offer, that personally I commit myself, and even outside of the business, I see an opportunity to extend opportunities to my partners across Africa through this. And we're going to talk about that in a bit more detail. So all of these relationships, I see an opportunity to extend them across Africa, because this makes a lot of sense, guys. So whilst we're doing that, whilst I'm keying in, I'm also telling you, absolutely that on the company side, EverestCM, great platform, but beyond that, great opportunity for partnerships. Some of you might know that there's something called the Introducing Broker Program in and brokers. Now, the Introducing Broker Program is essentially a program where Forex people will create value in the Forex space. People will create value in the online trading community. So we're talking about educators can now have an additional income outside of the core of their business model. So I'll give you an example. Let's say you're somebody who has value in the education space. You have the opportunity. You now have the opportunity outside of earning just from your educational work or like the tuition fees or the likes. You now have the opportunity to earn from the company for every person that comes through. Now, and this is for life, guys, for the lifetime of when these persons are trading. It doesn't get more residual on that. I've seen trading accounts that people obtain, people who brought folks, help folks to learn how to trade maybe like 5, 6, 7 years ago, who are still benefiting today. So it's marvelous in terms of the opportunity of the Introducer Broker Program. I want to believe that there's going to be a platform where maybe we can have a bit more conversations about, a bit more in-depth conversations about how you can merge these two opportunities. What I see as an opportunity is if you take this platform that's already giving a massive opportunity for folks to go out and learn how to trade. There's already amazing courses that I'm seeing there. I mean, you might not even necessarily need to be the educator yourself. You can buy partnership with an educational firm, take education and extend the service of education. Now, on the other side, you now have the same opportunity that educators will have by being able to earn a permanent residual income. And guys, I'm not talking about like small money here. We're running into very good whatever you think. I mean, there's no absolute. Partnerships can go into tens of thousands of dollars in potential. Of course, that's depending on trading volumes and all of those. But just to know that this opportunity exists, I'm gonna tell you one thing I like about us here. I'm very proud of being Nigerian. I'm proud of Nigerians. Everywhere I go, I'm proud of the spirit, the drive of Nigerians. I'm gonna tell you what I love about us. We know that there's no social security. Nobody's gonna hold you down, hold you if you're falling here. So a lot of us here, we are usually the first people to take opportunity when we see it. It's an amazing thing about Nigeria, and trust me, it's something that continues to make us different. Nigeria is the one that's attracting the biggest investments in Africa because the Nigerian space is still the best place. This market is still the best market for a lot of global companies when you think about Africa. So guys, I want to charge us. You might not be able to understand the full depth of everything off of one conversation, but take that Nigerian spirit, which is that spirit of thirst, that spirit of hunger, that spirit that reacts to opportunity when it sees it. Even if you don't understand the full depth of it, just take it and see how far you can go with it. A lot of the times, success comes first from boldness, from the ability to take action with speed and decisively. So I want to appreciate you, Awal, for this opportunity. I'm looking forward to all of what we can do. I can't wait. I'm like I told you, I'm doing Port Harcourt, from Port Harcourt, Lagos, Accra. Accra is definitely before the end of the year. And I'm thinking that a lot can happen in the next 5 weeks before the end of the year. So much can happen, in this period. So I'm thirsty about, also finding. I mean, clearly, as we go on to engage more, we will find more persons who are looking, who share the same thirst. And I can't wait to work with those individuals. Once again, I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you in subsequent platforms like this. Thanks, guys, and have a good evening.
Thank you so much, Mr. David. That was amazing. That was super. I love the idea of Accra. Some of my partners in Accra, I believe they're on the call also. The last time I was in Accra, I spent about 2 weeks there, and it was an amazing time, getting to meet a lot of Ghanaians, building businesses with them.
You tried the love over there.
Man, I love it. I love the jollof. Probably not better than Nigeria own, but it tastes nice.
Sorry guys, we're still not gonna agree. Forgive us.
Yeah, but it was nice. Yeah. So guys, you heard it all. Like I said, this is all about creating value. This is all about doing business, partnership. Mr. David is here. He represents EverestCM broker, all right? And he's ready to partner with us, ready to, you could build businesses with him. Whether you're a trader, you're an educator, you could leverage on, both their trading platform and their IB platform, and you could, make a whole lot of money for yourself. And he's ready to support us in trainings, whatever we need, he's ready to support us with, and we are good to go, guys. All right. So tonight, I've been able to expose you guys, like I said, to 3 ways you could make money for yourself. All right. You can, jump on any of these skill sets we have on this platform, be it Forex, crypto, marketing, whatever you want to learn, you could learn it there. Then you could also build a business for yourself by becoming a business owner. All right, sharing the Skillznet platform with other people, and you could see, the amazing compensation plan they have right in there, and you can make money for yourself. And the third one that Mr. David just shared with us, becoming an IB with, EverestCM broker, sharing the platform with other people, trading on the platform, making money for yourself. And guys, like he said, when you become an IB, we're not talking about $10, we're not talking about $20 here, no income claims, all right, but you could, make some good money for yourself, all right. I'll tell you, there are people that are putting money, that are trading big in the foreign exchange market. Yeah, right there in Nigeria, guys. Like I was sharing with Mr. David, I've seen someone that has funded over 100K into his account here in Nigeria. You see people saying that there are people that are making crazy money from the Forex market on a daily basis, all right? And you just need to expose people to this opportunity. You need to share with people. And, for, like I said, for things to change, you got to change. If you're on this call today and probably we've not partnered before, one of the things I know is I take action, all right? And when I see opportunities and, that is legit, like I used to say, I don't slow down on it. I take it and I start learning. Guys, when I started Forex, I never had idea of what foreign exchange market is all about. But today, I've learned the skill set is with me. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I can trade, I can make money, I can teach people. Same as cryptocurrency, right? Same as digital marketing. So whatever skill set you're learning tonight, whatever skill set you decide to jump on Skillznet to learn, all right, we are here to support you. And like I said, if you're jumping on our Forex, on our crypto platform, we have apart from what you're going to be learning on Skillznet, we have our mentorship plat where we, live trading sessions weekly. We have our signal groups where you can jump on, you can pick up signals, you can make money for yourself. It's more of like Mr. David told me, this goes beyond just partnership and making money. It's all about building family, relationships, right? Like I'll tell you something, Mr. David, I've known Mr. David for a few years now, but this is the first time we are doing business, right? And it's just about creating relationship, like you told me, and that is just what I want to do with everybody on this call tonight. So yeah, it's been an amazing time. Like Mr. David said, if you're interested in partner with the EverestCM, definitely I know people will be interested. We do have our daily calls where it talks in depth about the platform and how you could leverage on every other thing that is available. So guys, I'm super excited. If you want to jump on the Skillznet platform, just shoot me a message after this call and let's get you started. You could also, and I know Kofo also got some people on the call also, shoot either me or Kofo and let's get you guys started. Let's get you guys on board. Let's partner and let's build an amazing future. Like I said, 2021 is not yet over. I tell you, for the next 4 months, I believe there are a lot of things we can achieve, we can still do, and I'll see you guys at the top. All right. So I hope you guys have gained value on the call tonight. If you've gained value, just give me some 777 in the chat box. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you, Mr. David, for jumping on the call. Thank you so much. And guys, I'll see everybody at the other side. Love you all. Good night.
Okay. Right.